Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Rajvanshi and I welcome you all in our today's class, that is English class of class 10th. So students, in the previous video we have completed reading with our chapter number 7 from the book Footprints Without Feet. The name of the chapter is The Necklace. Okay, so I hope the chapter is very much clear to you all and you all must have enjoyed reading the story. Okay, and in today's video we will see the comprehension part, we will solve the questions. Okay, so let's begin. Question first, what kind of a person is Madame Loisel? Why is she always unhappy? Okay, so in this question we have to tell about our one of the important character from the story, that is Madame Loisel. So first of all we have to tell that what kind of a person was she, and secondly we have to tell the reason of her unhappiness, that why she was always unhappy, why she was always so upset, so sad. Okay, so let's see. Madame Loisel is a pretty lady who is married to an ordinary clerk. Okay, so who was she? She was a very pretty lady, she was young, she was pretty and she was married to very ordinary clerk, right? She belongs to a middle class family. Okay, so before marriage also she was from a middle class family and after marriage also uski jo family thi that was a very middle class family, right? She wants to lead a luxurious life but she has no hope, no means of becoming known. Okay, so this was the problem in her life, this was the tragedy of her life, that always what was her dream? Her dream was to lead a life that was, you know, full of comforts, full of all luxuries, full of all delicacies, right? But she was having no hope, she was having no means of becoming known. Okay, she is always unhappy on her poor condition. Okay, and this was the reason of her unhappiness. Okay, that she was always unhappy because of her poor condition. Okay. Next question, what kind of a person is her husband? Okay, so in the previous question we discussed about Madame Loisel and in this question we have to discuss about her husband Mr. Loisel, that what kind of a person was he? Okay, so let's see. Her husband is a very simple hearted person. Okay, so Mr. Loisel, he is a very simple hearted person. He is an ordinary clerk yet he is satisfied with whatever he has, unlike his wife. Okay, so yes, he was a very ordinary clerk. Okay, he was from a very middle class family but still he was always satisfied with whatever he has in his life. Okay, unlike his wife, that is Madame Loisel. Okay, so जो Madame Loisel थी, she was not having satisfaction in his life, right? उनको अपनी लाइफ में हमेशा दूसरों से कंपैरिजन करके अपनी लाइफ में उनको हमेशा और ज़्यादा चीज़ें चाहिए होती थी. बट मिस्टर लॉयजल, he was not like that. He is always satisfied with whatever he has. Okay. Next question, what fresh problem now disturb Madame Loisel? Okay, so in this question we have to discuss about the new problem that was there in front of Madame Loisel. Okay, so let's see. The fresh problem is Madame Loisel doesn't have a pretty and proper dress for the grand party as well as the required accessories. Okay, so what was the fresh problem, the new problem in front of Madame Loisel? The problem was that Madame Loisel, she has to go for a very grand, very royal party, right? But the problem is that she was not having a proper or pretty costume, a proper dress to wear for that party, and she was not having proper accessories to match with that dress. Okay, so this was the problem that she was having. Okay. Next question, how is the problem solved? Okay, so in this question we have to tell that Madam and Mr. Loisel, okay, so what did the solution they were having, how did they solve this problem? Okay, so let's see. The problem is solved when her husband gives her 400 francs to buy a beautiful dress. Okay, so what was the problem? That she was not having a proper dress and proper accessories. Okay, and so what solutions she had now? The solution was, that जो Mr. Loisel थे, okay, he gave 400 francs to buy a beautiful dress. Okay, so जो dress की problem थी that was solved because उनके husband ने उनको 400 francs दिए थे to buy a very pretty, very nice dress. Okay, so dress की problem solve हो चुकी थी. For the Zool, she decides to borrow a diamond necklace from one of her rich friend, that was Madame Forrester. Okay, so now जो accessories की problem थी, जो matching jewelry की problem थी, वो problem कैसे solve हुई थी? उसके लिए Madame Loisel ने decide किया था that she will borrow a diamond necklace from one of her rich friend. Okay, and who was this rich friend? She was Madame Forrester. Okay, so this way both the problem of dress and the problem of jewelry or accessories, दोनों ही प्रॉब्लम यू नो सॉल्व हो जाती हैं. ओके, next question, what do Mr. and Madam Loisel do next? Okay, so in this question we have to tell that when they finally figure out, when they finally found out कि उनका जो नेकलेस है वो उनसे खो गया है पार्टी में, राइट. सो उसके बाद में मिस्टर एंड मैडम लॉइजल ये दोनों क्या करते हैं, what was their next step? Okay, so let's see. Mr. and Madam Loisel do their best to find the lost necklace. Okay, so Mr. and Madam Loisel, okay, so they both were so sincere और उन्होंने sincerely सारे efforts किए थे to find the lost necklace. Mr. Loisel goes back to search the necklace. Okay, और क्या क्या इन्होंने किया था, जो Mr. Loisel थे, राइट, वो वापस से उसी ट्रैक पे जाते हैं जहाँ से ये पैदल चल के आए थे, so that अगर वो कहीं पे गिरा हुआ हो नेकलेस तो उन्हें वापस मिल जाए. He goes to the police and cab office also. Okay, apart from this he also goes to the police and to the cab office, right. He even put out an advertisement in the newspaper offering a reward. Okay, he also put an advertisement in the newspaper and he also offered one reward, right, कि जिस किसी को भी नेकलेस मिलेगा, जो भी रिटर्न करेगा उसे कुछ रिवॉर्ड दिया जाएगा, राइट. बट ऑल इन वेन, बट ऑल देयर एफर्ट्स वर इन वेन. आफ्टर डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स they were unable to find the lost necklace. Okay, next question, how do they replace the necklace? Okay, so when they decided that they will buy a new necklace, they will replace this necklace, so how did they replace the necklace? Okay, so let's see. They borrow money. Obviously they had to borrow a lot of money because they were from a very middle class family and they were not having such a big amount to buy a diamond necklace. Okay, so to buy a diamond necklace they obviously have to borrow money, right. They shift to a cheap house, right. उन्होंने मनी बोरो तो कर लिया था बट उन्हें वापस पे बैक भी करना था, राइट. सो उसके लिए उनको बहुत सारा मनी सेव करना था, राइट. एंड फॉर दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे शिफ्ट टू अ वेरी चीप हाउस, राइट. दे सेव एवरी सू पॉसिबल, राइट. और उसके अलावा वो जितना भी मनी सेव कर सकते थे दे ट्राई टू सेव ईच एंड एवरी सू. ओके, मैडम लॉइजल डज ऑल हर वर्क हर सेल्फ, राइट. इसके लिए उन्होंने घर पे जो मेड्स आती थी, जो हेल्पर्स आती थी, उन्होंने वो भी हटा दी थी. एंड नाउ मैडम लॉइजल शी वॉज डूइंग all the housework herself, right. They buy a new real diamond necklace to replace the lost one which is fake. Okay, and finally they वो money borrow करते हैं and with the help of that money they bought a new diamond necklace, right. And they replaced the necklace that was a fake one, right. जिसके जो diamonds थे they were false, they were fake, right. So उस fake necklace को replace करते हैं एक real diamond necklace से. Okay, next question, the course of the Loisel's life changed due to the necklace. Comment. Okay, so in this question first of all we are given with one statement. So what is the statement? The statement is that the course of Loisel's life changed due to the necklace. Okay, and we have to comment on this statement that what is our viewpoint on this statement. This statement is true or not, what do we think? Okay, so let's see. It is true that the course of Loisel's life changed due to the necklace. Okay, so what is our viewpoint? According to us, it is a true statement that the course of the Loisel's life entirely changed due to the necklace only, right. After the loss of the necklace, the Loisels shifted to a cheap house. Okay, and what was the difference in their life? उनके life कैसे change हो गई थी? So now that we are describing and we are writing that after the loss of the necklace, the Loisels they have to shift to a very cheap house. Madam Loisel started doing all work herself. Okay, so earlier she was having some helpers, she was having some maids, okay, to do all the housework. Okay, but now she was doing all the work herself only. Okay, she went to buy things. Okay, so she was doing all the kitchen work, all the laundry work, all the housework, and she was doing all the shopping work also. Okay, so she herself went to buy things. She haggled for the last sou. Okay, और जब वो shopping पे जाया करती थी, so there she बहुत ज़्यादा bargaining किया करती थी ताकि जितना मनी वो सेव कर पाए उतना वो कर सके. Okay, she wore ordinary clothes. Okay, और उनका जो ड्रेस सेंस था वो भी पूरा चेंज हो चुका था. अब वो बिल्कुल ऑर्डिनरी लोगों की तरह ड्रेस पहना करती थी, हर हस्बैंड वर्कड एट इवनिंग्स एंड नाइट्स, ओके। और जहाँ तक मैडम लॉइजल की बात थी, वो तो ये सब किया करती थी, ओके। उनके जो हस्बैंड थे मिस्टर लॉइजल, ओके, ही वॉज ऑल्सो डूइंग हिज कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन, राइट। और वो क्या कर रहे थे, वो एक्स्ट्रा वर्क कर रहे थे टू अर्न सम एक्स्ट्रा मनी, ओके। एंड नाउ ही वॉज वर्किंग एट इवनिंग्स एंड इवन एट नाइट्स also, okay. He copied at 5 sous a page, okay. So this was the work that he was doing at night. He was, copying the pages of the book, okay. They somehow saved every sou. This life of hardships went on for 10 years, okay. So this from all these details we can say that yes, because of the necklace, उनकी जो life थी that was completely changed, right. पहले जो उनकी life थी और अब जो 10 years में उनकी miserable life थी, there were a lot of differences that can be seen, okay. Next question, what was the cause of Matilda's ruin? How could she have avoided it? Okay, so in this question we have to tell first of all that what was the cause, what was the reason of Matilda or Madame Loisel's ruin, right. उनकी life जो थी, right, उसमें जो इतनी सारी misery आई थी, so what was the reason for that miserable life? And secondly we have to tell कि वो जो Matilda है, Madame Loisel है, right, वो इस miserable life को कैसे avoid कर सकती थी, वो ऐसा क्या करती कि उनकी लाइफ में ये मिजरेबल टाइम जो था 10 इयर्स का वो नहीं आता, ओके. सो लेट्स सी. The cause of Matilda's ruin was her great love for her dreams and her materialistic aspirations, okay. So first of all, what was the reason of her miserable life that she led for 10 years? So the reason was her great love for her dreams, okay. जो उनका dreamy word था, what was her dreamy word? A life that is full of luxuries, full of delicacies, full of comforts, okay. और जो उनका love था for materialistic aspiration, okay. So this love was the reason for her ruin, okay. She wanted to be known as she was pretty, yes. So she was a pretty lady, she was young and she always wanted to be known, okay. But in reality she was from an ordinary family, okay. But what was the tragedy in her life? That she was a very poor family, she was from a very middle class family, okay. She could have avoided it if she had not always remained in her dreamy world, okay. But उसके लाइफ में जो मिजरेबल टाइम आया था 10 इयर्स का, ऑब्वियसली वो इस टाइम को अवॉइड कर सकती थी. कैसे? अगर वो हमेशा अपने ड्रीमी वर्ल्ड में ही ना रहती, राइट. शी शुड हैव सीन द रियलिटीज ऑफ लाइफ ऑल्सो, ओके. सो शी शुड ऑल्सो बी अवेयर अबाउट व्हाट आर द रियलिटीज ऑफ लाइफ, ओके. द ड्रीमी वर्ल्ड कांट बी द रियल वन, ओके. और ये बात उनको पता होनी चाहिए थी कि जो ड्रीमी वर्ल्ड है वो रियल नहीं हो सकता, राइट. शी शुड बी कंटेंट विथ व्हाट शी हैड, ओके. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली शी शुड हैव द फीलिंग ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन विथ वॉट एवर शी हैज इन हर लाइफ, ओके. उनको कंपैरिजन नहीं करना चाहिए था दूसरों की लाइफ को देख के. उनकी लाइफ में जो है, जितना है, जैसा भी है, उससे उनको सेटिस्फाइड होना चाहिए था. अगर वो ऐसा करती सो ऑब्वियसली वो मिजरेबल जो 10 इयर्स थे उनकी लाइफ की, उनको वो अवॉइड कर सकती थी, ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what would have happened to Matilda if she had confessed to her friend that she had lost her necklace, okay. So in this question we have to tell कि अगर जो Matilda है, जो मैडम लॉइजल है, राइट, अगर वो अपनी फ्रेंड के सामने ये कन्फेस कर लेती है, ये एक्सेप्ट कर लेती है कि उनसे वो नेकलेस खो चुका है, ओके. सो क्या क्या चेंजेस उनकी लाइफ में आ सकते थे, सो उस समय क्या होता, ओके. सो स्टूडेंट्स यू कैन राइट योर ऑन आंसर हियर दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर इमेजिनेशन. अगर मैडम जो लॉइजल है, राइट, जो मैटिल्डा है, वो मैडम फॉस्टर के सामने जाके कन्फेस कर लेती कि उनसे नेकलेस खो दिया है, उन्होंने उनसे नेकलेस खो चुका है. सो उसके बाद में क्या होता, राइट. सो यू कैन राइट योर ऑन आंसर हियर. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट कैन बी राइट. इट कुड हैव चेंज्ड हर लाइफ, ओके. सो अगर वो कन्फेस कर लेती, पहले ही एक्सेप्ट कर लेती कि उनसे नेकलेस खो चुका है, सो मे बी उनकी जो लाइफ है वो चेंज होती, ओके. शी कुड नॉट हैव सीन द डेज ऑफ वांट एंड मिजरी. तब उनकी लाइफ में जो 10 ईयर्स आए थे, और ये कैसे थे? इट वर द डेज ऑफ वांट एंड मिजरी. ये डेज उनकी लाइफ में नहीं आते, ओके. शी वॉज वेरी प्रिटी बट शी ग्रू ओल्ड इन हर यूथ, ओके. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दीज 10 मिजरेबल ईयर्स, ओके, यस, शी वॉज अ प्रिटी गर्ल, शी वॉज अ प्रिटी लेडी, बट इन मिजरेबल 10 ईयर्स की वजह से क्या हो गया था? शी ग्रू ओल्ड इन हर यूथ, ओके. शी सफर्ड अ लॉट ड्यू टू द हार्श लाइफ ऑफ वांट, ओके, और जो 10 ईयर्स की हार्श लाइफ थी इसकी वजह से ऑब्वियसली शी सफर्ड अ लॉट, ओके. इफ शी हैड कन्फेस्ड बिफोर मैडम फॉरेस्टर शी कुड हैव बीन एक्सक्यूज्ड, और मे बी अगर वो मैडम फॉरेस्टर के सामने पहले ही कन्फेस कर लेती, एक्सेप्ट कर लेती कि उनसे नेकलेस खो चुका है, सो मे बी मैडम फॉरेस्टर एक्सक्यूज कर देती, वो इतना माइंड नहीं करती इस बात को. इट वॉज बिकॉज द लॉस्ट नेकलेस वॉज अ फेक वन. वाई, वो इतना माइंड क्यों नहीं करती? बिकॉज जो नेकलेस खोया था डैट वॉज अ फेक वन, उसके जो डायमंड्स थे डैट वर फॉल्स डायमंड्स, ओके, डैट वॉज नॉट अ रियल डायमंड नेकलेस. देन मैटिल्डा एंड हर हस्बैंड वुड नॉट नीड टू लीड अ पैथेटिक लाइफ दे लिव्ड फॉर 10 ईयर्स. और अगर वो कन्फेस कर लेती और मैडम फॉरेस्टर इतना माइंड नहीं करती, इस चीज़ को इग्नोर कर देती, तब ऐसे में मैटिल्डा और उनके हस्बैंड ने जो 10 ईयर्स की पैथेटिक लाइफ स्पेंड की है, ऑब्वियसली ये ऐसा नहीं करना पड़ता इन्हें, ये मिजरेबल टाइम इनको नहीं देखना पड़ता, ओके. सो ये बड़ा चेंज उनकी लाइफ में आ जाता अगर मैडम लॉइजल पहले ही कन्फेस कर लेती, पहले ही सच बता देती, ओके. Next question, if you were caught in a situation like this, how would you have dealt with it? Okay, so in this question we have to tell our viewpoint कि अगर हम मैडम लॉइजल की जगह होते, अगर ये सिचुएशन हमारे सामने होती तो हम इस सिचुएशन को कैसे डील करते, कैसे हैंडल करते, हमारा रिएक्शन क्या होता, ओके. सो स्टूडेंट्स यू कैन राइट योर ऑन आंसर, व्हाट वुड बी योर रिएक्शन, आप कैसे इस प्रॉब्लम को डील करते, दैट यू हैव टू राइट हियर, ओके. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट कैन बी द possibilities. If I were caught in such a situation, I would have confessed before Madam Forrester at once. Okay, so अगर हम भी ऐसी सिचुएशन में होते जहाँ मैडम लॉइजल थे तो इमीडिएटली हम मैडम फॉरेस्टर के सामने जाते और कन्फेस करते, एडमिट करते, उनको सच बताते कि वो नेकलेस हमसे खो गया है, राइट. I could have done whatever she had asked me to do. Okay, and after that मैडम फॉरेस्टर का जो भी रिएक्शन होता, वो एंग्री होती या वो इस चीज़ को अवॉइड कर देती, whatever her रिएक्शन वुड बी, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम वो जो भी हमसे कहती करने को हम वो सब करते, राइट. पर हम सच बताते, उनके सामने जाके हम कन्फेस कर लेते, ओके. सो दिस इज आवर आंसर. यू कैन राइट योर ऑन आंसर ऑल्सो, ओके. So students, we have completed all the question answers here. I hope the chapter and all the questions, everything is clear to you all. In the next video we will start with our new chapter. So see you in the next video. Thank you.